Last Epoch is an action RPG that can sometimes encounter a queue that won't move. To fix this issue, follow these troubleshooting steps. Check the Last Epoch Server Status. Visit the official Last Epoch forums to see if there's an ongoing issue with the servers. Wait it out if the queue isn't moving due to server overload. Especially during peak times or after a new update or event launch, it's best to wait patiently. Restart the game sometimes. Temporary glitches can cause the queue to freeze. Start the game to resolve these issues. Steam community players suggest restarting the game several times until it works instantly. Check for game updates. Developers often release patches to fix bugs and improve game performance. If you're experiencing queue issues, it might be due to a problem that has already been addressed in a recent update. Check for any available updates for Last Epoch and install them to resolve the problem. By following these steps, you can address the queue not moving issue in Last Epoch and get back to enjoying your game time.